New Year's Eve, one last chance to fill your life with flowers. In this video, a trio of delight. The mechanics, simple. Nothing but a cube filled with fresh water, pre-mixed with flower food. No foam, no netting, just plain water. The flowers, fabulous. Everything's from florabundance.com. And it was so fun gathering these things. Peonies, ornithogalum, Leanne, paper whites. Then in the roses, I have Vendella in full size and sweet majolica in the spray. For foliage, just a little bit of Salal and Italian ruscus. To create a secure base, just a little bit of Italian ruscus, one stem, knotted around on itself. Then, tucking everything into your hand. A Vendella rose, a peony, oh, so beautiful. And yes, it's fragrant. Turning it, adding in the ornithogalum, and maybe one of the sweet majolica. Giving it a slight turn and tucking in the rest of the ornithogalum. Since they're linear, I want to group them together. Another Vendella, turning, adding more fragrance with the paper white. Oh, it will make this New Year's arrangement spectacular. Maybe grouping them all together. Giving it a turn. Another rose. A bit of Leanne. So many beautiful white flowers to choose from. And each time, just turning it and tucking in another bloom. As you finish, just look at the bouquet from all sides. Make sure you're keeping it symmetrical, that you have the blooms where you want them to be, and turning. You can always give it a little tug if you want to pull a head up. Maybe pull that one up just a little bit, shift things around, and creating a soft collar by adding in the Salal. To secure, just a bit of bind wire. Wrap above where you're holding. Secure by twisting. Then cut the stems short to fit the vessel. As you're preparing for New Year's parties, you want to think multiples, making up several all at the same time. Then when you're done with the flowering, going back with some beautiful silver leaves, cutting them apart. And then the easiest way, just using your Oasis floral adhesive, a little bit of glue directly on the stem, and then just tuck it down in between the blooms to add a little sparkle. A huge thank you to Florabundance for all these amazing flowers. The recipe, 5 Vendella roses, 3 sweet majolica spray rose, 3 ornithogalum, 5 stems of paper whites, just 1 peony, 1 Italian ruscus, and 1 Salal. Then I broke apart a single stem of silver leaves. Multiply that times 1, 2, 3 for the full setting. End the year with flowers. Be sure to start the year with flowers, and then fill the year with flowers. You'll find inspiration for each and every day on the website, flowerschool.com. But now, it's your turn. What are you going to create to end the year, begin the year, and fill the year? Be sure to take a picture of it, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.